Hi everyone, my name is Gaddam Ravikumar from Konaravpet, Medpalli, Jagityal district. Now we are seeing turmeric boiling machine. It's a technology, new technology to boil our turmeric. This machine having the 3500 liters capacity water tank and both sides two cylinders left and right to fill the turmeric. So once we can fill the 3500 liters, we can serve for one day. We can take it out for up to 70 drums in one day. So it's very useful to farmers, and even though for the farmer and the owner of the machine. REDDY Enterprises. If we want this type of machine, we have to contact REDDY Enterprises, Medpalli, Jagityal district.